Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Massive shout out to all the new subscribers that have jumped on and checked everything out. For those of you that are new here and don't know who I am, my name's JB Stunts. I'm a professional freestyle stunt rider here in Australia. Today we're going to be working on my Racebike rebuild series. This is my 2003-2004 Kawasaki Ninja ZX636. We have combined the first two episodes of this together into one big video. Just to save a little bit of time and just to give you guys a really good idea on what it takes to strip a whole bike down over one episode. So yeah, follow us today as we take you through what it takes to get this thing into a race ready machine. Alright, thanks for stopping by guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. Also leave a like, comment and share. Don't forget to check out my website, jbstunts.co, and you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at jbstunts. Until next time guys, ride safe.